the story of the first car. A long time ago, people used horses to travel. But horses were slow and got tired. A man named Karl Benz wanted to make something better. In 1885, he built the first car. It had 3 wheels and a small engine. The car used gas to run, not horses. At first, people were scared of it. But soon, they saw it was fast and useful. After that, more people started making cars. Now, cars are everywhere in the world. Now, let's learn the words from the story. First car. A long time ago, people used horses to travel.
Long time ago, many years in the past. Travel. To go to another place.
But horses were slow and got tired.
Slow, not fast. Tired, feeling you need rest.
A man named Karl Benz wanted to make something better.
Wanted, something you wish to have. Make, to create or do something. Better, improved or more good.
In 1885, he built the first car.
Built, made or constructed. First, before all others. Car, a vehicle for driving on roads.
It had 3 wheels and a small engine.
Wheel, a round object that helps a vehicle move. Engine, the part of a vehicle that makes it go. Small, not big.
The car used gas to run, not horses.
Gas, fuel for vehicles. Run, to move quickly or go.
At first, people were scared of it.
At first, in the beginning. Scared, afraid.
But soon, they saw it was fast and useful.
Soon, in a short time. Fast, moving quickly. Useful, helping you do something.
After that, more people started making cars.
After that, then / later. Started, began. Making, creating.
Now, cars are everywhere in the world.
Everywhere, in all places. World, all people and places.
And that was the story of the first car. From Karl Benz's idea to the cars we see everywhere today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share if you enjoyed this story.